Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how you can install B Player on your Fire Stick device. So please follow all steps, otherwise you are not able to install B Player in your Fire Stick device. So friend, let's get started. First step is what you have to do. You need to click on, or you need to go to on your Fire Stick home page. Once you go on your Fire Stick home page, what you have to do, you have to click on find menu. Once you click on find menu, you need to click on search bar, and once you click on search bar, you need to type downloader, or you can command over voice downloader. Once you type downloader, a new window, or you can say few options available. Downloader, you have to select downloader. Once you click on downloader, a new window will appear. Here is lots of application available. You have to select orange one, downloader application. Once you click on downloader, there is a new window will appear which says download, or in your case maybe get option. You need to click on get option. You have to wait for some time. It's depend on your internet speed. If your internet speed is good, it will take couple of minutes. Okay friend, once you click on download, once your download is completed, your download, or you can say your get button is changed into open. Now what you have to do, you need to go back on your setting menu, or you can say your Fire Stick home page, and you have to now select setting menu. Once you click on setting menu, you need to go to on your Fire Stick device, my Fire TV. You have to select developer option. In your case maybe developer option not available. In that case what you have to do, you have to click on about my Fire TV and about. Once you click on about, there is lots of option available. You need to click on my build version 6 to 7 or 8 times. Once you click 6 to 7 to 8 times, a new toast message, or you can say a new message will appear which says no need, you already a developer. Once you get this message, what you have to do, you need to go back in your my Fire TV. Once you again click on my Fire TV, now this time your developer option is available. Once you click on developer option, what you have to do, you need to turn on both options, ADB debugging and install unknown apps. In your case both options may be turned off or turned on. So in our case we need to turn on install unknown apps. So in that case, when you click on install unknown apps, a new window will appear. You have to turn on downloader. There is in your case maybe lots of application is available, but we need to download downloader. We need to install downloader, so we need to turn on downloader. Once you turn on downloader, a new window will appear which says allow option. You need to click on allow. Once you click on allow, a new pop-up window will appear and you need to select OK option. Once you click on OK option, a new default window of downloader will appear. Now you need to type a URL. This URL I will provide you in our video description box. You will get over there. Once you select, or once you copy this URL, I am going to repeat URL from here. The URL is firesticktricks.com/bplayer, or you get this URL from in our description box. Once you type this URL in downloader search bar, and then you need to click on go. Once you click on go, a new window will appear and your application is downloading started. Once download application is download, you need to click on install. Once your application is installed, you need to click on done. Once your application is completely installed, what you have to do, you have to delete downloader app or B Player app, because we don't require these APK files anymore. Once you delete all files, what you have to do, you need to click on B Player app icon. Once you click on B Player app icon, you will get B Player app icon in your app section. Once you go on your app section, there is a new app installed in your apps menu, which name is B Player. Once you click on B Player, you need to click allow. Once you click on allow, a new window will appear which is full screen of your B player. There is a lots of option available, video, folder, history, and there is a one more option available, 3 dots, or you can say home page. This is a home page. There is a 3 horizontal lines, and you have to click on horizontal lines. Once you click on horizontal line, there is an option, you need to select network stream. Once you click on network stream, you can easily put over here any URL, and you are now able to play any video, any what you want to play, you can play over here. This is the simple and easiest method by which you can easily play or easily install B player on your Fire Stick device. So friends, hope you like this video. If you are facing any problem, you can comment us, we will reply your all comments. So friends, thank you, bye bye.